What's up, guys? This is gonna be a full guide on the new Megalodon update. I'm gonna show you how to get the 2 VHS tapes, and I'm gonna show you the 2 items. So let's go. Okay. So first, what we need to do is, if you do not want to feed the Megalodon, you have to get a teleport gun or a teleport grenade. This is my kit, and then I have my fishing rod in my bag just in case I need it later. So, also, if you want the VHS tapes and you want to get both at a time, then probably get 2 crossbows. So you can put them in there, or you can just grab them and then leave the game. But yeah, it's up to you. So the fishing, I will show you in like a short. If you came here to look for fishing, sorry, I'm just showing new Megalodon. If there's a chance that I do fishing inside of him, then maybe, but that I'll show you, but I probably won't show you in this video. So you just hit this Yu-Gi-Oh thing. You don't need a weapon, you can hit it with whatever. Guys, they don't shoot anything at you, just as long as you don't touch them. So just don't get close to them, you're fine. So then, blood water doesn't kill you, you don't have to do that. Okay. Then it is pretty dark, so you should bring a light. Okay, so this is the first thing that I need to show. So go up here. I don't know where to get the code at, but you don't need a code as long as you have a teleport gun. I don't know if a teleport ball will work, but yeah. You use a teleport gun. Here. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that right now, but once you go in there, there's not really much. The only thing in there is like a watch looking thing. So it looks like this, but it's just blacked out. I don't know what it does. I haven't been able to use it, but yeah, that's in there. It sells for like 20 minutes. So then, yellow light is what you leave. Then you go through here. We're almost at the middle. And then now we are at the title screen once we get past. It's the title screen. Okay, so first VHS tape. You're gonna come over to this boat. But make sure you grab it quick, like up and down, and when you grab it. There's also like items to grab over here. There is a guy sometimes right there, so be careful. And then yeah, there's just like, you can explore around the map. There's not really much. Oh, wait. Oh, look. Yeah, I don't. So yeah, that's just the main part of this map, and you can also fish in that water. And I'm pretty sure it's. I'm not sure, but I think it's easy. It's like it's a higher chance to get fish on your rod with that one, because I remember. Already a hole. Okay, so once you go, bro, stop being. Okay, so you're gonna go up in this path first. These don't really lead anywhere. I can show you. It just is a little. Doesn't. And you just saw while I was at that. Only one that you can go through is this, and this will be the second item area. Whoa. So I don't really know what to do in here. Maybe you can use the watch in here, the watch item. All I know is there is an item. Whoa, I didn't know you could go through. What I did is I clicked through here. I didn't have a heart gun, but yeah. Okay, so this is this goes in the broken part that doesn't have anything in it at the fishing board. That's where it goes. And that's basically what this map is for, which is what I know, like this area. I don't know if like put the watch on the gorilla over here or anything. All I know is that that item's here, and then the watch, I don't know where that goes. Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna look around. What I can put it in. Okay. So once you get out of that map, most people probably go back so they can go put that in the board. But I'm doing the guide, so I'm not gonna. Sorry about the muted thing, by the way. I don't know if that'll even. Nobody listens. So after you go there, you can go ahead and drop down here. And there's this thing. I don't know what it does. I don't even know if there's something under it, but yeah. Like jello blood water, something like that. Okay, so once you get over here, you need to be very cautious because there's like 2 like heart blob monsters, and they're basically just anglerfish. I don't know if they one-shot you because I haven't died from them, but yeah, they're basically anglerfish, and I have to quickly get through here. Oh, he almost just got me. That scared me so much, bro. That doesn't scare me. And once you get out here, you go out the shark's butthole. Okay, so once you do all that, second VHS tape is in this hot area. Yes. Okay, so go right under here. As you can see, the purple light is there. Come on. Boom! It's right there. That's VHS tapes. And then this is just like water that you can fish in. And then if you come over here, you can go back. They don't have buttons, but once you like snap it, oh. And I'm gonna go back in this video and actually I'm gonna show you how to get the fish and how to fish because I feel like I want the video to be a little longer. So once you come back, get this, poke it in here, you go on here. Boom, baby! You can grab your bait. This is bait, I think, to get better fish. What was the 0? 34. $60, $60, $60, $240. Okay. Yeah, I don't know how to get bones. And then actually I'm gonna show you this other place. Okay, so the guide is not done yet because I'm still trying to show you some more stuff. What you need to do is, if you don't have small broccoli, get someone to give you small broccoli. So you get 3 bomb broccolis. 3 bomb broccolis. And then you get this guy. You can go over here. Okay, so you go over here. Then I don't know if teleport will work with this, but it's pretty hard to do. As you can see, that teleport map wall thing to go to a different map is there. You explode these. Oh, get on. You gotta get over there to eat this. And then get my way from the grab. Probably drop it. So go in here. Okay, I'm gonna wait till I turn big. Oh, turn me big. Okay. So this is like it's supposed to be inside the fish tank. I don't know if you can. Probably can't. So you go through here. Oh wait, no, it sucks. Whoa, whoa! I did not know the vent guy was there. So first, I'm gonna show you a different area, which is this. This is actually a camera. People are thinking it's OG map, but it's actually a camera of the real world. If people were there and walked around, you could see them. It's a little laggy, but yeah. I'm gonna go through this vent area. I want to see what that's all about. Oh, okay. So you go through here. I don't know what this does. Oh. Oh, okay. That's cool. Okay. If you go down here, feeds back to here. I don't really know what this area is for, not gonna lie. But I think it's just supposed to be like a part of it because So now we go back to that little map thing and check it out. And then you go boom. Did that duplicate my goal? Yes, it did duplicate my goal. So that is how you do that for the map, and then this is how you fish. So I really don't know what pressing B or Y is for yet. Maybe you could put the like watch thing on it, but you press your big trigger and then press it once and you hold it twice if you want to cast it far. Cast like that, just like real fishing. And you just wait until a little screen shows up. You gotta put. I'll show you. And you can bring it closer, like that. Okay, so it's hooked. I'm gonna show you a little fish here. You're gonna have to keep pressing the cast button while you have the box over the fish. It's pretty simple. Then when you get to 100, good. And when those 3 little boxes on the bottom left run out, then that means you lost the fish. And to move the box, you just put the hand that you have the rod in. So, I gotta fit. And it's also wiggly. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, that's wiggly. That's actually cool. Okay, so like after you fish, you get bones, I think, from actual fish. I'm not sure. Then you get this free bamboo fish rod, and then after you have enough bones or like fishing level, you can get stuff. I don't know where the other fishing rods are. I think they come out in different updates, like as we progress and stuff. And then if you go here, I can finally buy some bait. Beetle. It's like bait that looks so rock hard, even the fish would be like, no thanks. Is it tiny? Looks really tiny. Fish out there. Who would be into this? I don't even know, bro. I'm not gonna waste my money because I'm a bad fisher in Animal Company. Real life though, I'm not that. Whee! Ah! Okay. So I'm gonna go back and see what that watch could do. I'm gonna show you the watch item too. I feel like it's like not cool to not show it. And you can also to open this guy's mouth if you can't get through. It's really easy to do that. If you can't get through without opening it, to open it you just it shows it on the side. I don't know why the shark ate metal. And if you're trying to like be all cautious and stuff about the fans, they don't shoot. I would try this out. So to glitch it through the wall, you just kind of grab it around here. Once you drop it, and you gotta get it good to actually get it through. So like when it's like that, that's the best. So I just finished the map. Nothing. I didn't really see anything out of this house. It's the other end. It says Cortex offline and stuff, so maybe it does go on like the little guys. The little you're not like as you can see, look, it does look like one. It has like that, so that like related to the I don't know. So yeah, I'm gonna go. We go here. Then what I'm gonna test first. They added these plugs. I don't really know if they do anything or not, but yeah. What I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna go see if I can watch on. Oh, by the way, I don't know what the bosses drop. I haven't killed them. I don't even know if I can, but I was just that. This map too, it doesn't really have anything other than the VHS tape. Okay. I'm gonna go put that in on the monkey. I don't like it. Ugly. Ugly boy. Ugly boy. Ugly boy. So it does say something about Cortex offline in the room with the little watch thing. You want to get it? Here's the. I really think it might go on your fishing. Oh, there's another. Oh, so guys, this is a way to get the thing. There's multiple. Oh, lot of. So why you? Okay, and also for the new Oga. For the new, like, a special item, it is a tornado. It says it on the thing. You can get it by catching 3 kisses. Don't know why. I don't know. Gotta catch 3 kisses. I don't know where to catch it at. I would think probably in the shark, because red and red, but I don't know. Probably. What? Bro, this shit is actually so... Like, I don't even know. Like, I don't know if throw it at the hearts or... Oh, hell no, please, tell me. Ooh, what's up here? What? Oh, yep. That part. Hit me. You bitch. Can't get me. Keep cutting. Oh. Kind of hard to look around this map if you don't, like, kill those guys. I don't even know if they're killable. But yeah, they're basically just in. Here. No swing for waiting Megalodon. I don't know what that door is supposed to be. Maybe. It's a thing. Punch. Yeah, so I guess there is some stuff around the edge of them. So, barn is, it'd be cool if they made it actually win. And fine. Oh, come on. Are we dead ass animal company? Yeah, I don't know where this goes, bro. Yeah. So, it's fun. We'll search everywhere. Fun. That'll be the video. Can you put this? Hello? Oh, yeah? Okay. But is this supposed to be Animal Company? Please tell me. Do you want this? Animal Company, why did you have to make this so hard? Like, what am I supposed to do? Maybe you can scan what type of fish in the map. I don't know. Oh, like. What? Who the heck just joined? Okay, I think I have it on. Yeah, there's only. Can't leave one away. Nice. Going. Oh. Oh, we only have a little bit more maps on this. 1, 2. Well, it's not. One might not be. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That could be a whole map. Maybe. Like, maybe 2 more maps and we're done, because it's like maybe 2 or 3 per map. That's cool. Anyways, wait, I'm gonna see what this. Maybe that'll help me know what it's supposed to do. Fishing rod radar part. It says part. So is there another part? I didn't find any other items. What do you mean? Oh. But yeah, I'm gonna end it there. Thank you for watching. Peace out.